Heavy Equipment Construction Safety Tips Part 2. Workers should be kept out of locations where heavy machinery is in use whenever possible. To avoid hitting other workers, onlookers, or other vehicles or equipment in the area, operators should be conscious of their swing radius, especially when working in tighter places. Equipment for entering and exiting. This should go without saying, but there is a correct and wrong method to mount and remove heavy equipment, depending on the amount of accidents workers sustain each year. Maintain 3 points of contact when climbing onto equipment, just as you would when ascending a ladder. When entering or exiting the cab, never carry anything with you. To exit, never jump out of the cab or off the equipment. Entering or exiting machinery that is moving or in use is never a good idea. Make that the equipment is totally turned off, the parking brake is engaged, and any hydraulic pressure is released. To avoid any illegal use, make sure you take the keys with you. Before using the equipment, inspect it. Before each usage, visually inspect heavy equipment to ensure it is in good working order. Check for wear and damage on the tires and tracks. Before starting up the equipment for the first time each day, you should at the very least check fluid levels such as engine oil and hydraulic fluid and oil levels. Check for cracks and deterioration in hydraulic hoses, buckets, booms, and other components. Ensure that all attachments are securely fastened. When the equipment is turned on, double check that the lights, gauges, horn, and backup alarms are all operational. Ensure that all arms, shovels, buckets, and other tools are fully extended in all directions. Check to see if the cab can spin in all directions. If it does, never use equipment that isn't in good operating order or appears to have been damaged. Not only may you end up causing more harm to the machine, but it could also pose a serious safety risk if not addressed before usage. For more information, call 469-370-7501 or visit interstateheavyequipment.com.